right, stand back. Here I go. Oh, wait a minute. Let me try that again. Hey, don't laugh, eh? Cool it, will ya? I'm trying to blow here. Now cut that Well, what's the difference? I guess some of us are just naturally funny. Rats. Hi. Say, here's a funny poem that's one of my favorites. It's called Jabberwocky, and the words don't mean anything at all. So you can pretend that they mean anything you want them to mean. It's great when you want to play make-believe. Listen. Twist Brillig and the slimy toes did gyre and gimble in the wave. All Mimsy were the Borgos, and the moon rats outgrain. Beware the Jabberwock, my son. The jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the jug bird, and shun the frumious bandersnatch. He took his purple sword in hand. Long time the Maxome foe he sought. So rested he by the tum-tum tree, and stood a while in thought. And as in uppish thought he stood, the Jabberwock, with his eyes aflame, came rippling through the tulgey wood, and burbled as it came. when the lights go out?
I'll tell you, Bart. He's in the dark.
Little bird, these riddles are so much fun. Let's do it again as if we just begun. The most entertaining idea.
You think we'll be as funny the second time around, Big Bird?
Sure. Oh, Mr. Little Bird.
Yes, Mr. Big Bird.
Can you tell me what has one horn and gives us milk?
What has one horn and gives us milk? Half a cow?
No! A milk truck. Not half a cow, you see.
Oh, my ball just bounced across the street. Would someone please get it for me?
Can you reach the little girl's ball? Yep, I got it. Let's get her going. Here's your ball, little girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, ma'am. Let's hit leather.
Oh, it's you again. Psst, come here. Listen. I got a great idea for finding some real rotten jokes. Real losers, you know what I mean? We'll put an end to all this laughing around here. And that goes for you, too. No laughing. Listen, here's what we're gonna do. There's a telephone booth over there. Well, we're gonna go over and call Dial-A-Grouch. Come on. Here we are. Give me a dime. Hello, this is Jackie Grouch on Dial-A-Grouch. The other day, a Grouch walks into a restaurant and he says to the waiter, "Waiter, do you serve crabs in here?" And the waiter says to him, "Sit down, mister. We serve anybody in here." Hey, that's pretty good. Nah, we can't use that one. Did you hear the one about the mother kangaroo who got mad at her children because they ate crackers in bed? Crackers in bed? They got crumbs all over her pouch, get it? We definitely cannot use that one. Rolling right along, do you know if you can draw pictures on an empty stomach? You sure can, but paper is better. Paper is better? Do you know what you'd have if you found $10 in your pocket? You'd have somebody else's pants on. No, that's not too funny, but we still can't use it. Before I say buzz off, I'd like to ask you one question. Do you know how to keep a fish from smelling? Now, why would anyone want to do that? You keep a fish from smelling by holding his nose. Tell that to your friends. This is Jackie Grouch on Dial-A-Grouch saying bye-bye and have yourself a rotten day. Hold his nose? Wait till I tell that one. No, we can't use that at all. It's too funny. We can't tell any of these jokes. They're all too good. Hold his nose. Oh, give me a break, will you?
Okay, everybody ready?
Ready?
Are you ready, Big Bird?
Well, I think so. But you'd better tell me again.
It's really simple, Big Bird. We're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. And when we get to the animal parts, you're going to play those records with the animal sounds on them. Now, first the duck, then the pigs, then the cows.
Right. You guys sing, and I'll play the records with the animal sounds. Ducks, pigs, cows.
Here we go.
Old MacDonald had a farm. He
just then?
Oh, the record.
No, not now, Big Bird. When we get to the without part.
Oh, well, okay, Gordon. You can depend on me. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O.
Big Bird, that's not a duck. That's a fire engine.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
Didn't it sound a little like a duck? Maybe if he were inside a firehouse?
No, Big Bird. Now stop fooling around and play the duck record.
Gotcha.
Now what's going on?
Well, I couldn't find the ducks and pigs and cow records.
So what did you get?
Fire engines, helicopters, and oil tankers.
Well, if you can't beat him, we better just join him, okay? All right, here we go. Come on, everybody.
You gotta admit, it was different. Hey, Gordon, there's just one more thing.
Oh, what's that, Big Bird?
Well, you know, I had to get the fire engines and the helicopter and the oil tanker records because I couldn't get the ducks and pigs and cow records.
So?
But I did get a bunch of real ducks and pigs and cows to come over. I have friends in high places.
You mean you brought a gang of animals over here?
Yes, they're right outside the door. Did I do something wrong?